The apple, known scientifically as Malus domestica, is a widely adored fruit both for its nutritional value and its versatile culinary uses. Apples typically come in a variety of colors including red, green, yellow, and even speckled combinations of these hues. Their essential shape is that of an almost spherical roundness, often slightly elongated or bulging at the base. This symmetry allows for easy handling and even cooking when used in recipes. The skin of an apple is smooth and can sometimes have a glossy appearance, depending on the variety and how it has been polished. Underneath this skin lies a crisp and juicy flesh that can range from sweet to tart, making it adaptable to both sweet and savory dishes. Apples are not only consumed raw, but can be baked, boiled, or even dried. They are rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, particularly vitamin C, and a range of antioxidants, making them beneficial for the immune system and overall health.